Meet Barney. This is our dog Barney. It's been a long winter for Barney. Please join me today as I make peanut butter banana oatmeal treats just for Barney.
Hi there, thanks for joining me in my kitchen. What a great sunny day. Perfect day for making Valentine treats for Barney. We are going to be using a very ripe banana, the riper the better, 1 cup of whole rolled oats or the old-fashioned oats, 1 whole egg, and 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. I use the organic peanut butter with no sugar. Make sure that the peanut butter, if you're going to be feeding this to your dog, the peanut butter that you use should not contain xylitol. Xylitol is toxic to dogs. So let's get started. So you'll want to preheat your oven to 350. These are drop cookies, so we'll be baking them for 12 to 15 minutes after we drop them out onto a cookie sheet. So I've started this already. I put my super ripe banana into this bowl and I've been mushing it up. I'm going to add my 1 cup of whole rolled oats. I'm going to add my 3 tablespoons of peanut butter without xylitol. And these are so good that I think that they would be really tasty for humans to eat as well, and healthy. It might be a really good like breakfast cookie. So we will just kind of mix all this together. And it smells really good. That banana smells just delicious. And the peanut butter. And so I'm just going to mix it all together, get it well combined. And then what we'll do is we want to let it sit for 5 or 10 minutes to let the oats absorb the moisture. Alrighty, so I've been kind of working on this. My oats were sitting in this, absorbing the moisture for about 5 or 10 minutes. And I started dropping onto my cookie sheet. Now my cookie sheet is lined with parchment paper. If you don't have parchment paper, you can lightly grease your cookie sheet. You just want to make sure that the cookies don't stick. So the recipe indicates that if you drop by 1 tablespoon clumps onto your cookie sheet, you'll get 16 cookies. Now a friend gave me this little dog bone biscuit cutter or shape, and so I'm kind of Barney's kind of a big dog, so I'm gonna tuck some of that cookie dough into this, or treat dough into this as well. So I probably won't get my full 16 cookies out of this batch, but that's okay. I'll just keep going. No, Barney is gonna love these cookies. So I have used up all of my batter, and I've kind of flatten them down a little bit. Now we're going to pop them into a 350-degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes. We want the oats to be slightly brown. We want the tops to be firm, slightly spongy, kind of like the top of a cupcake. So I'm going to pop them in the oven, and then we'll bring them out and we'll show you what they look like. And let's see if Barney likes them. Okay, so here's the real test. Will Barney like these? Will he eat them? Of course, he eats everything, so even if they were horrible, he'd probably eat them anyway. But what do you think, Barney? You want to try? Yeah. Oh, he likes it. Okay, so make sure that they're cooled off totally before you feed them to your dog. You can store these in an airtight container on your counter for 3 to 5 days. Make sure that they're cooled off, though, before you put them in that container or mold can form. You can also store them in your fridge for a week in an airtight container, or you can pop them in the freezer and just bring them out for little treats, like maybe on Valentine's Day, right, buddy? All right.